Not every trip is just a getaway. Some become stories you carry forever. Welcome to Ekta Nagar, where every experience is designed to spark energy, excitement, and unforgettable moments. Looking for a thrill, a place to chill, or that perfect Insta shot? You will find it all here, at the heart of an experience made for you travelers. No slowing down here, only pure adrenaline. Ride through scenic cycling trails. Get face to face with the wild at Sardar Patel Zoological Park. Take on white water rafting on the mighty Narmada River. Or go for a high-speed boat ride for extra rush. Feel the thrill, the splash, the unstoppable energy. This is adventure Ekta Nagar style. Then comes something iconic. The journey leads to the magnificent Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, standing 182 meters high, dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Step into the viewing gallery at 153 meters, and everything feels larger than life. From here, the views unfold: the majestic Sardar Sarovar Dam, the flowing Narmada, and the scenic beauty of the Vindhya and Satpura ranges. It's not just a visit, it's a moment that stays with you. But the journey doesn't stop there. From action to exploration, every moment keeps you moving, engaged, and wanting more. Because Ekta Nagar isn't just a destination, it's the ultimate escape for young travelers. As the sun begins to deep, the vibe shifts. Unwind a peaceful cruise ride along the serene waters of Ekta Nagar, surrounded by golden sunset and calm reflections. The perfect pause between adventures. As the evening sets in, Ekta Nagar transforms. Watch history come alive at the projection mapping show at the Statue of Unity, where light, sound, and storytelling create pure magic. Then experience peace and power at the Maha-Aarti at Ma Narmada Ghat, a soul-stirring moment by the river. From rafting thrills to high-speed rides, and the magical glow garden where every corner lights up your perfect shot. Every frame here is made to be shared. So pack your bags, grab your squad, and create your own story at Ekta Nagar. Because this isn't just a destination, it's where youth, energy, and experiences collide. Ekta Nagar awaits. Are you ready?